This video will be Halloween themed because it's almost Halloween time. Hello guys and welcome back to my next video. This video will be Halloween themed because it's almost Halloween time, it's almost fall. So I decided to take a look to Spirit Halloween, which is probably the most popular Halloween store. It's just seasonal. They usually open it at the end of August or beginning of September. And we are in Barrie and here is Spirit Halloween finally open. So I'm here to check it out and look for this year's Halloween costume. So I'm so excited for this. What's new? I saw in New York they have also installation like Squid Game doll, So I'm so excited to see if they have some installation here. But we are here primarily for costume. So let's go check it. It works! I think they are missing here the doll. Maybe it's gonna come, maybe not. I can see.
Pretty.
That's cool. I think this will fit me better, How do I look? Or I could be Megan.
Oh yeah. Very
So,
pretty.
right?
Yeah.
This is me in the morning. Oh, this Halloween lollipop is cute.
SpongeBob? You want to eat SpongeBob?
Yeah, I love SpongeBob.
I think you're more of a Patrick kind of girl.
What?
I think you're more of a Patrick kind of girl.
No. Patrick, you say?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That's you.
Why? Why I can't be SpongeBob? Could be cheerleader. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Cotton candy clown. Yeah, this is costume exactly for me. So, how do I look? It's very hot in there. This one is cute. Or this one. Yeah, thank you. This one is cute. My dad would love this. That's so cute. Yeah. We need to put it on our backyard. Where is Teletubby? That would fit me. That's cute. Who else used to watch Teletubbies? Let me know. I would like to know that I'm not the only one. I could wear it to school.
Wanna race to the finish line?
Yeah. This one is cool. Looking for Harry Potter. Yeah, I always wanted to be a magician, dog costumes.
Yeah, you can be Wednesday.
I'm so sad that we don't have dog. I love it.
You know.
Are you surprised? I feel like I should buy one. So we are done in the store. I'm not gonna show you my costume, but I bought 2 blind boxes with some, Halloween themed back clips. So we're gonna open them together and you'll see my Halloween costume obviously when it's Halloween time. So let's open these. You can look forward for a Halloween video because it's gonna be fun. So first I bought this one, and here are characters you can get, and I was looking for the character from it, and I was trying to touch it and find out, and I think this is exactly the one I want. So let's open it first. How am I supposed to open it? Do we know? No, not like this. Maybe here? No. First I should find out how to open it. Would be easy. Ah, got it. Please. Haha, yeah. Exactly. See? That was a good guess. So I have it. That was the only one I really liked. And the other, I chose just these like cute ghosts, and what I would like to get, probably dog one, or the pumpkin one. That's very, very Halloween. But I didn't touch it, so I have no idea. It was just blind. Oh yeah. This is so cute. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Soon you'll see more Halloween content. We're gonna be baking together. We're gonna be getting ready for Halloween with Halloween costume, and maybe we will visit some, Halloween event. We're gonna see, but yeah, Halloween is soon. It's coming. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss my Halloween costume and Halloween baking. And see you next time.